Welcome to the beginning of your journey at Chapman University. The Master of Medical Sciences Physician Assistant Studies program curriculum is a 24-month, full-time, year-round cohort model at the Rinker Health Sciences campus, located in Irvine, California. The curriculum is divided into 12 months of didactic and 12 months of clinical education. Each spring, we receive an average of 500 applications and start a cohort of 50 physician assistant students. Here is a step-by-step guide and some important information on the application and admission process. First, ensure you have completed the PA program's required prerequisite courses, have a current GRE score, meet minimum overall GPA and science GPA requirements, and have accrued at least 1,000 hours of direct patient contact experience before applying. Next, submit your application through CASPA, the Common Application Service for PA. The application will open in late April and close at the beginning of August. We will receive your application once CASPA has verified all your admission required information and documents. This includes your transcripts, GRE scores, observational or shadowing hours, direct patient contact hours, 3 letters of recommendation, and a personal statement. You do not need to send any documents to Chapman directly. Qualified applicants will be contacted and invited for an on-campus interview from June to September. On the day of an admission interview, you will meet with the faculty and get to know more about our PA program at Chapman by speaking with current PA students and touring our state-of-the-art facility at the Rinker campus in Irvine. Admitted students can expect to be contacted by phone and email, and these notifications will be sent on a rolling basis until the new cohort is full. We do require an enrollment deposit towards your tuition that will secure your spot in the upcoming spring entry term. After you have paid your enrollment deposit, we require you to complete a successful background check and meet all health and immunization requirements. You will also need to turn in any final transcripts from any previous courses that were in progress before classes begin in January. Please visit the Chapman Physician Assistant Program website to get started now.